If you want to add a power button directly to your navigation bar, here is how you can do it. First, launch your Play Store, then search for the app Good Luck. Now go ahead and install this app. After you do that, launch it. Click on Agree and Continue. Here, find Navigation Bar or Navstar option. After you find it, install it. Now you'll need to turn it on. Then tap on New Configuration to begin customizing your navigation bar. Next, tap on Button Layout. Select Add Button and choose either the power button or screen off option. After adding it, you can reposition the button by touching and holding it, then dragging it left or right to place it wherever you prefer on the navigation bar. When everything looks good, tap Done to save the changes. You'll now see your power button at the bottom of your screen. You can tap it once to lock the screen or tap and hold it to open a full power menu with options like restart and power off. That's it. Your power button is now easily accessible right from the navigation bar. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.